Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So this is our reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. And for personal reading, kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang ha. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. By the way, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, please do hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Okay? General reading for Libra po ito. Kaya pwede kang hindi makarelate sa mga sasabihin ko. Okay lang yun, may next time pa naman tayo. Kung gusto mo mapanood ng live, Unicorn Princess Tarot sa TikTok at Madam P Vlogs dito sa YouTube, dyan lang ako magla-live. So, i-subscribe or i-follow mo ko dyan sa mga nabanggit ko. Okay? And by the way, hindi ko pa nasasabi ito sa iba. Dito pa lang first ko sasabihin sa Libra na reading. I will be selling crystals, bracelets, mga ganyan doon sa TikTok. And may pag naka-purchase ka ng amount na babanggitin ko doon, meron kang free palm reading galing sa akin. So, talagang dapat ay masubaybayan mo ako dyan. Let's start your reading, Libra. Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Nine of Cups. Yeah, that's your sign, Libra. Okay, Ace of Cups. The Sun. Oh, wow. Nakita ko ng mga new beginnings sa'yo ngayon. Nine of Cups, I can see a Libra here who is already successful. Pero, hindi ka kasi hambog eh, alam mo yun, hindi ka mayabang. Successful ka pero hindi mo ito para isabihin pa or ipagyabang sa iba. Although alam naman na nila. You are a person na very kalmado kahit nagkakaroon ng pagkakagulo or pagkakaaway na dyan sa paligid mo. And I do like your energy pagdating sa bagay na yan. Ace of Cups, I can see something na bago sa iyo na unti-unti mong na-appreciate or minamahal. This could be love regarding a person. Pwede rin namang love na may kinalaman sa material na bagay. And I can see a lot of happiness with the Sun dyan sa mga bagay na yan. Although parang yung iba sa inyo medyo mahirap, medyo nakakapagod. Kasi not only now, pero kahit in the near future, pwedeng maramdaman mo yung hirap at pagod na yan. Pero kasi gusto mo nang magkaroon ng ending eh. Parang yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, if this is a material thing, this could be something na hulugan or something. And the Nine of Wands, so medyo nagbibigay ng challenge ito sa'yo. Gusto mo na matapos, nakakapagod. But I can see you still being happy with the Sun dahil meron ka nitong bagay nito. So of course, may mga bagay na mapipigilan or pipigilan mo sa sarili mo because medyo marami ka responsibility. But with the Page of Wands, nakikita natin na it's okay. Parang okay lang. As long na matapos ko na kung ano man ito. And I can see magandang energy mula dito kasi nakikita natin na may mga taong nandiyan nakasuporta at tumutulong sa'yo. So, let's get more messages for you, Libra. Pagdating sa love, ano yung messages for Libra? Please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guys. Pagdating sa love, please tell me for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter sign. For Libra, please, ano yung mga messages pagdating sa love for the sign of Libra. One last shuffle. Okay. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For the sign of Libra, you do have here the Queen of Swords. This is you, Libra. I feel like medyo mas cold ka ngayon. And why? Because maybe may mga cut off or pagka-cut off kang ginagawa sa mga pagdating sa love. Maybe with the moon, this could be a soulmate connection, or maybe someone in the past, or maybe a person na like nakita mo yung future mo dito sa person na to, and maybe um now you're no longer expecting, you're no longer daydreaming about this person anymore. Parang you have already realized na masaya naman ako with the sun. Parang ganun. Bakit kailangan ko pang isipin ng taong to? Bakit kailangan ko pa siyang i-manifest or what? You are still this person na nagiging successful sa buhay at tuloy-tuloy yon. So bakit pa, 'di ba? So this is you being happy for whatever you have right now. Lalo na with the Nine of Cups, nakikita natin contented ka. Tsaka yung iba sa inyo, dami mong isipin ngayon para isipin pa tong taong to. Hello. 'Di ba? And you do have here the Four of Cups. You don't, not only you don't feel like itong person na ito ay kailangan mo pa, but yung iba sa inyo, you're no longer sure if the love is still there, 'di ba? Sa sarili mo. Parang yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi ko naman na siya mahal. Pero for some of you, meron pang konti, but or maybe for some of you hindi mo na alam kung gusto mo pa ng reconciliation, mas humihigit ngayon yung ayaw mo na ngayon, kaya nga nagkakaroon ng pagka-cut off side dito eh. But by the way, there's this twin flame connection para sa iba, especially with the moon and the sun. Yeah, that's a twin flame connection, moon and sun. That's like a yin and yang energy. But Queen of Wands is here, so I feel like nakuha mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mo ngayon. Kasi maybe in the past, may mga bagay ka pang gustong mangyari, gustong makuha. Pero ngayon you feel like, hindi, nakuha ko naman na yung mga bagay na gusto ko. Okay naman na ako. It's your energy. And I feel like a lot of peacefulness ang nararamdaman ko talaga sa'yo ngayon. Parang, pagdating sa love, mas nauna sa'yo yung self-love, you know, or material kind of love. Okay? So anyway, I feel like someone is thinking of you. Who is this person na nag-iisip kay Libra? I want to know yung kanyang energy. Sino itong person na ito na nag-iisip sa'yo? Okay, this person is currently stuck. This person is currently stuck with the Eight of Swords sa kanyang situation. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. And the Six of Swords. This person is like, nagmo-move on siya with the Six of Swords. Okay, nagmo-move on siya. I feel like with the Five of Swords, pwedeng umiiwas siya sa'yo because some kind of pag-aaway ang nangyayari dito sa area or sa lugar kung nasaan siya ngayon. So, maybe yung person mo, wala siyang kakayahan na, or wala siyang, communication or whatever sa inyong dalawa. Or there are times na hindi siya nakikipag-communicate because malabo, mahirap, at because may mga nasasaktan, a lot of jealousy. And with the Chariot, there are times na umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya just to do this. The devil, kung ano man yung kinagagalit ng mga tao sa paligid niya. Gagawa siya ng paraan na makipag-usap kahit pa ikagalit nila because you are more important para dito sa taong to. Ayaw naman talaga niya dun sa the devil, which is yung mga taong yon na nagiging dahilan ng pag-aaway or what. So, nakikita natin, gumagawa siya ng paraan para makausap ka. There are times, kahit pa naka-naka. even though your person is stuck. And this person is thinking of you. Bakit kanya iniisip? I want to use this card, so I will be using this card. Wait lang guys, medyo mahirap siyang kunin kasi medyo lapat na lapat siya sa table. Anyway, this is a playing card. Bakit kanya iniisip? Tell me for Libra please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Seven of Clover is here. And King of Diamonds. Ace of Swords. Ace of Spade, also known as the Ace of Swords, yan. The Nine of Hearts, and at the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Spade. Okay. For some of you, iniisip ka niya because kung may twin flame energy, diba? Of course, you're twin flame, so iniisip ka niya. You get what I mean? And with the King of Diamonds, nakikita natin ito person na ito who has a lot of love for you. And iniisip ka niya because gusto niya mag-take ng actions. You are the Nine of Cups here. Nine of Hearts. For some of you, iniisip ka niya kasi iniisip mo din siya. Like, parang nagmamagnet yon. Alam mo kung i-convert. Ang kapareho kasi nitong Ace of Spade is the Ace of Swords sa Tarot deck. Okay, this is a playing card. Pero sa Tarot deck, ang katumbas ng Ace of Swords is the Ace of Spade. At ang katumbas naman ng Nine of Cups is the Nine of Hearts. So, nakakatuwa kasi magkatabi din silang nagpakita dito. Magkasunod. Okay, so anong ibig sabihin nun? This is you na iniisip nitong person na ito. Kasi might be nakikitaan niya ng future yung sa inyo or nakikita ka niya sa future niya. Like maybe this person is the one, itong current person or people sa buhay niya ay hindi niya nakikitaan ng future. You know what I mean? And like mas nakikita niya yung future niya sa'yo. Okay? And ano naman yung nasa, I want to know that like there's a third party situation here. So I want to know kung ano naman nasa isip niya dun sa person na kakonect niya. For Libra. Person na nasa isip niya. Five of Swords, okay. Nasa isip niya is yung pag-aaway sa kanila regarding money. Yan. Sa relationship, the Three of Wands is here. Or the Three of Clover. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like, nandun siya sa isang relationship na may hinahanap pa siyang iba. Like, this could be you na hinahanap pa nitong person nito. So, hindi siya komportable, hindi siya kontento. Hindi siya komportable at hindi siya at kontento dito sa taong to. Nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway sa kanila ng taong ito. Money fight kind of thing. And pinakapangit na connection yung yeah, the Ten of Diamonds. And the Six of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. So, nakakita talaga tayo dyan ng money problems. Yeah, Ace of Diamonds is here. Like, yung person nito, from 10 of Diamonds, ang daming nawala, naging Ace of Diamonds. So, parang, daming nawala. So, this could be a ipon or what here. Anyway, yun yung nasa isip niya, dito sa person niya. So, that's why naisip ka niya. Kasi, bakit kasi hindi itong partner ko ngayon hindi naging katulad mo na, you know, maybe you are money wise or whatever. Maybe you are practical kind of person. At saka sabi ko nga, hindi ka masyadong mayabang, pwedeng ganun. And yun yung iniisip niya. So, what will happen in your future for you, Libra? The King of Pentacles is here, the Two of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay. In the near future, like you are the both king, dalawang king ang nakikita natin sa'yo. This is you. And I feel like in the near future, may mga plano kang gagawin that would make you this King of Pentacles para maging mas successful ka pa lalo. I can see love offer na paparating sa'yo, and there's a decision to make with the Two of Swords regarding that. May love offer na dadating sa'yo. But yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo magdesisyon. And I can see a lot of money coming here with the Ten of Pentacles. Ang daming perang dadating sa but there's this love offer. And let's clarify this Knight of Cups. Ito yung regarding sa love offer. Seven of Wands, actually hindi lang isa. There's a lot. The Nine of Pentacles is here, pero ang mas importante kasi sa'yo is yung money mo, yung career mo, stability mo. Like, you don't care about love kasi hello, pagulo lang yan. Kontento naman ako sa sarili ko. You do have the Death card in Seven of Swords. Hindi ka na kasi para mamili in the near future na alam mo naman ang pipiliin mo is baka saktan ka lang, lokohin ka lang. So, I can see you being the High Priestess. Like, mas okay na sa'yo na nagkakaroon ka ng development, maybe even spiritual development. So, in the near future, although may mga offers, you do have here the Seven of Wands, I don't see you being interested. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.